Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 2 of class 12th biology, chapter 4, reproductive health. Let's start. First question: what is the work of progesterone which is present in oral contraceptive pills? Options are A, to inhibit ovulation, B, to check oogenesis, C, to check entry of sperm in cervix to make them inactive, D, to check sexual behavior. The correct option is option number A, to inhibit ovulation. Next question. Question number 2. Which substance can be used as male contraceptive in future? A, FHS, B, LH, C, testosterone, D, progesterone. The correct option is option number C, which is testosterone. Next question. Question number 3. Oral contraceptive contains A, progesterone, B, LH, C, oxytocin, D, sterols. The correct option is option number A, which is progesterone. Next question. Question number 4. Venereal diseases can spread through A, using sterile needle, B, transfusion of blood from infected person, C, infected mother to fetus, D, kissing, E, inheritance. Choose the correct among the following. Options are B, C, D only, B and C only, A and C only, A, B, C only. The correct option is option number A, which is B, C, D only. Next question. Question number 5. Select the option including all sexually transmitted diseases. A, gonorrhea, malaria, genital herpes. B, AIDS, malaria, filaria. C, cancer, AIDS, syphilis. D, gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. The correct option is option number D, which is gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. Next question. Question number 6. Which of the following STDs is not curable? A, chlamydiasis, syphilis, genital wart. B, HIV, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis. C, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B. D, genital herpes, hepatitis B, HIV infection. The correct option is option number D, which is genital herpes, hepatitis B and HIV infection. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? Options are A, gonorrhea, B, genital warts, C, genital herpes, D, chlamydiasis. The correct option is option number C, which is genital herpes. Next question. Question number 8. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as A, implantation of embryo at the site other than uterus, B, implantation of defective embryo in the uterus, C, pregnancies terminated due to the hormonal imbalance, D, pregnancies with genital abnormality. The correct option is option number A, which is implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Next question. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not sexually transmitted disease? A, trichomoniasis, B, encephalitis, C, syphilis, D, acquired amino deficiency disease. The correct option is option B, which is encephalitis. Next question. Question number 10. One of the legal method of birth control is A, by a premature ejaculation during coitus, B, abortion by taking an appropriate medicine, C, by abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 14 of menstrual cycle, D, by having coitus at the time of daybreak. The correct option is option number B, which is abortion by taking an appropriate medicine. Next question, question number 10. Medical termination of pregnancy (MTP) is considered safe of up to how many weeks of pregnancies? A 6 weeks, B 8 weeks, C 12 weeks, D 18 weeks. The correct option is option number C, which is 12 weeks. Next question. Question number 12. Which two of the following statements are correct? A. MTP during first semester is generally safe. B. Chances of conception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. C. IUDs like copper T are effective contraceptives. D. Contraceptive pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent conception. The correct options are A, C, B, AB, BC and CD. The correct option is option number A, which is A and C. Next question. Question number 13. In which of the following techniques the embryo are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? A. Gift and Zift. B. ICSI and Zift. C. Gift and ICSI. D. Zift and IUT. The correct option is option number D, which is Gift and IUT. Next question. Question number 14. In case of couple where the male is having a low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? A. Intrauterine transfer. B. Gamete intracytoplasmic fallopian transfer. C. Artificial insemination. D. Intracytoplasmic sperm ejection. The correct option is option number C, which is artificial insemination. Next question. Question number 15. Embryo with more than 16 blastomers formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into A. Fimbriae, B. cervix, C. uterus, D. fallopian tube. The correct option is option number C, which is uterus. Next question. Question number 16. A childless couple can be assisted to have a child through a technique called gift. The full form of the technique is A. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. B. Gamete internal fertilization and transfer. C. Germ cell internal fallopian transfer. D. Gamete inseminated fallopian transfer. The correct option is option number A, which is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Next question. Question number 17. Assisted reproductive technology IVF involves transfer of A. embryo with 16 blastomers into the fallopian tube. B. ovum into the fallopian tube. C. zygote into the fallopian tube. D. zygote into the uterus. Here two of the options are correct, which are C and D, that is zygote into the fallopian tube and D. zygote into the uterus. Next question. Question number 18. Artificial insemination means A. introduction of sperm of healthy donor directly into ovary. B. transfer of sperm of healthy donor to a test tube containing ova. C. transfer of sperm of husband to a test tube containing ova. D. artificial introduction of sperm of healthy donor in the vagina. The correct option is option D, which is artificial introduction of sperm donor into vagina. Next question. Question number 19. The test tube baby program employs which one of the following technique? A. zygote intrafallopian transfer. B. intracytoplasmic sperm ejection. C. intrauterine insemination. D. gamete intrafallopian transfer. The correct option is option number A, which is zygote intrafallopian transfer, which is called GIFT. Next question, it is the last question of this video and you have to answer this. Let's see. The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer gift is recommended for those females A whose cervical canal is too narrow to allow passes for the sperm, B who cannot provide suitable environment for fertilization, C who cannot produce an ovum, D who cannot retain a fetus inside uterus. If you know the answer, do comment in the comment section and stay tuned with us because next chapters PYQs will be uploaded soon. So thank you.